Hi, my name is Jen and I want to welcome you to the world of crafting with Altenew. Are you looking to create beautiful floral cards? Are you looking to accent your projects with unique contemporary designs? Are you looking for your favorite products that have been specially curated and designed to help you make your next paper project? For 7 years, Altenew has been inspiring creativity through elegant and versatile designs and paper crafting products. Since 2014, we have released 771 stamp sets among a wide selection of specially curated products spanning across 17 product categories. Through various fun Build-A-Flower, Mini Delight, Paint-A-Flower, and Craft-A-Flower subscriptions every single month, you'll automatically receive your favorite newest products delivered straight to your doorstep. We are proud to have such an amazing card design, mixed media design, and video inspiration team members hailing from the USA to Australia, Canada, Pakistan, the UK, Belgium, Japan, and Chile. Did you know that you can find us on social media for your daily dose of inspiration, whether it may be with a blog post, a crafting tutorial, or a simple photo made with love by our talented design team? We also have an exclusive Facebook group where you can interact with your fellow crafters all over the world. We are honored that our brand is recognized in over 85 countries, and we strongly believe in giving back to the community and supporting those in need. As of now, we have 396 Altenew Educator Certification Program participants and 40 certified educators. AECP provides a platform to help members redefine the way crafters learn. Within the chaos of 2020, we continued to grow, finding new ways to interact with crafters around the world. We launched our Craft Your Life with Altenew podcast this year and have consistently held multiple virtual workshops every week so that no matter where you live, you can stay connected with crafting news and fellow crafters. Get in touch with us through support@altenew.com. You can always count on our customer happiness team to respond to you for any concern, or if you just want to say hi. Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!